All right, so I'm 52 years old, and in many, many ways, as it pertains to the way that I choose to make money and my online business, I am starting over from scratch. I'm not starting over from scratch from a place of like not knowing what I'm doing. I have 18 years, in the game. I've been boss free for 14 years. I built a 6-figure a year business for myself. So while I'm starting over at 52, I'm starting over from a foundation. Meaning, like, I know what works for me. I know what I do that allows other people to mimic and have success based upon what I do and how I show up. And I also know the things that I've tried. Some of the things have made me a lot of money, but they were just things that didn't feel entirely me and were true and sincere and genuine to my brand and the way that I want to help, other women learn how to get this digital income for themselves. And so the big foundation of what I'm doing is community mentorship. It's teaching women high income skills in the realm of digital marketing, creating and selling digital products, learning how to build personal brands, and even learning how to build a personal brand without having to show your face, because that is a thing, but you've got to learn how to use your voice. And while I thought at one point that I was doing my business a disadvantage by focusing on those areas, because I had convinced myself that there are a lot of women out there that have failed and struggled because they didn't want to sell and they didn't want to build personal brands. They didn't want to show their face. And while that is likely a true statement, a woman empowered by the desire to change her life is going to decide to take on a new identity and not allow those fears to be the thing that holds her back. And so moving forward, it's not about not equipping women with the skills and the knowledge to be able to earn in multiple ways, but it's me not thinking that I have to have something that teaches women all of the ways of making money online, because what I realized recently is I end up being very void of what really makes me magnetic, what makes me me, and what has always been the largest attractor factor, in my own business. And while some people might take that as like a pat on the back or, ego, it's not. It's a simple fact of we live in a day and age where people are online every single day, searching for solutions, searching for answers, and they're looking for people they can resonate with. They're looking for people that once they hear them speak or they hear and see the way that they show up, they're like, that's my girl. Like, I want to learn how to do exactly what she's doing. And so again, when I talk about building from foundation, when I think about the majority of the success stories that have come because at some point I played a role in mentorship, I will never say that people have become successful because, of me. But what I will say is that a lot of people that have gone on to build, 6-figure style businesses for themselves online, that I've worked with, again, I'm a denominator, meaning at some point they were on this journey with me. And at some point, something that I did or shared or exposure to me, proximity to me, played a role in their success. And that's probably the truest way to say it. But I realized back then, if I wasn't being true to me and I was thinking that I had to be all things to all people, then what made me magnetic would have been lacking, and those people wouldn't have been able to get what they needed to get to have success. So in moving forward, I know that while there's a lot of ways to make money online, and I will always guide women to those paths and those directions, like if that's the way they want to earn, thinking that the only way you'll ever make money online is by not showing your face, or should I say the best way to say it? My hands are getting tired. The best way to say it is anytime you think that you're not enough, or that you've got to succumb to your fears, like fears of showing your face, fears of sharing your voice and being you, believe it or not, it separates you further and further from the money that you want to make online because of the way people buy, buyer psychology, the way people make buying decisions. More often than not, people are making these decisions because, again, they're watching videos like this, They're seeing real women in action doing a thing. And when they see the women doing their thing, they're like, you know what? I think I can do that too. That's how I got started online. Hi. That's how I've helped tons and tons of women make money online, is by first them finding me and saying, oh my gosh, I can do what she does. And then by me walking the walk, they start doing the same thing because they're inspired and then empowered, and then they go on to create their own levels of success. And so moving forward, I just want to, I do this video kind of as like a kickoff to, this new journey, but also more so to inspire the woman that thinks you really need something. I don't want to say you need something different. For the woman that might be thinking, I want to reinvent myself. I want to start something for myself. But like, if you keep thinking like there is a but I can't do it like Steph, but I can't show my face, but I can't be on video. Right? I'm creating what I'm creating so that more women realize what's really holding them back. And that when you decide to develop real high income skills, right? High income skills in the way of personal branding, building digital products, and creating digital products, selling digital products, whether you create them or not. Believe it or not, those are the high income skills. Like, that's how the women are busting through, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70,000, $100,000 months, is that they're choosing not to hide. They're choosing not to shrink themselves, right? But again, they're deciding to learn the skills that really, really do pay the bills, right? And so it's not that I'm opposed to various income streams. I just know that some move slower. I'm not opposed to some ways that some women want to build their business, but what I do know, and we'll dive deeper into this in my community. And so if you do have an interest in what I'm sharing and you love the idea of learning digital marketing skills, and I can't tell you how many women have come to me, I don't know, just over the past few years, and they're like, it wasn't until you that I actually learned what making money online was about, that you helped me gain my foundation. You helped me actually learn what digital marketing was. Like, I thought I was doing something online, but you helped me really understand like how the internet works and how all of this technology works. And how, again, there's never been a better time to pop up online and decide to make something happen for yourself, to build something for yourself, where again, the barrier of entry is next to nothing. Like, you could want to be making money online today. You could be wanting to start something for yourself today, and literally by tomorrow or the next day, you could have something in your hands ready to start making money with. I want you to really let that sink in. That's the times that we're in right now. But if you're opposed, right, again, to learning these simple skills and learning these ways, then of course it's going to be a lot harder. And then the other thing is that identity comes first. So like, when I decided that I was going to reinvent myself at the age of 52 in terms of the way that I'm building my business, right? Not from a place of starting from scratch, but from a place of starting over based upon foundations that I already know work, and just growing those foundations stronger and walking the walk of those foundations, and allowing me walking the walk to be an inspiration and to be a magnet to the women that are out there wanting to know there can really be an easier way to do all of this. They don't ever have to start from scratch. They don't ever have to go into a figuring out phase, that they can get the mentorship and access to proximity, that'll help them be able to fast track. That's when I realized that I've got to step up. And I'm sorry this is all over the place. Actually, no, I'm not sorry, because this is the kind of content that, believe it or not, more women need to be connected to realize that you don't have to have all of your thoughts perfect. You just have to really have the desire to want to change another person's life. And what I knew is, if while I was on my hot girl steps, my hot girl walk, getting my hot girl steps in on my hot girl walk, that if I just decided to catalog this idea and wait until my hair was perfect, wait until the sunscreen was no longer dripping from my face, that literally the message would be lost. That by the time I got done with my 10,000 plus steps, I'd get back to the car, drive home, and then again, the reality, right, like of your life, of my world, would have been like, oh, okay, maybe the message wasn't that important. That's a learning lesson for anyone that might be sitting around waiting to get all of this perfect, right? So like, this is an example where I can tell you I'll probably make a few $1,000s, right, from this video, because again, from experience, like, I know the kind of content that has made me the most amount of money over the years. So while I'm starting over at 52, right, I want to be very transparent as I begin to share exactly what I'm doing and how it's designed to help other women, how this is not about joining a course. This is about a digital profits community of mentorship, where every single week you get to show up live. You can ask for personalized business plans, right, to help you running your business. You can drop into the community and get daily content ideas. You can learn the things that oftentimes are really hard to document via modules, because oftentimes there are things that are happening in real time, where I can pop on a Tuesday office hours, right, and I can speak from real experience, real results, and instead of waiting to create a perfect module, I'm able to deliver it in real time in that way, and then that recording can be turned into a valuable asset that the community members, right, present and future, can always benefit from. So it's a different way of helping people, right, make money online, where again, the focus is community and mentorship, and literally building a lot from within. So right now what the community has is we have a complete digital marketing course. So there is a course in there, and there's a lot of modules, there's a lot of lessons, but in that course, you're going to learn the fundamentals of digital marketing, basically how to do business online, how to use the platforms of the internet to make sales, to find customers, to, connect with the people that ultimately you want to buy from you, right? At the end of the day, that's what we want, people to buy from us. So number one, you've got to learn that. But then we also have resellers goldmine. And that's where I went back and I took the exact strategy, the exact steps that helped me come online and grow a 6-figure business without hardly knowing anything about making money online. How I made 28 sales in my very first 30 days without an audience, before there was TikTok live. Like, how did I do all this, right? How did I do all this without a formal course? So I go back, and essentially Reseller Goldmine is teaching you like how to become a really, really great reseller or affiliate marketing, right? How to start with something that you did not create and how to get out there and start selling that really, really quickly, like literally within days. Again, but it's all a decision. Like, you've got to decide to become the person, right? Become the woman that sells something in days. And again, and that's a lot more of the identity work that you'll find, interwoven in a lot of the things within Digital Profits U and on our mentorship calls. Again, a lot of these things I don't know need to be talked about until we get on these office hours, right? And I'm able to hear where people are struggling, and I'm able to meet them where they are and to help and to give them real guidance from where they are, not me sitting at home manufacturing an idea of a really good module, but literally real guidance. And what I know from being in a lot of courses and a lot of different communities because I thought I needed them or because I was nosy and I purchased them, I realized like this is the element that's missing in a large majority of them. It's really easy to buy something and then to not feel seen, to not feel heard, and to not truly get that personalized access or mentorship that you're often promised, right? It's kind of like, if you need me, I'm here, reach out, but there's never really anywhere to show up, right? And again, to really feel like you're seen and you're heard, where you can raise your hand, you can ask a question and get real guidance based upon it. And that's what Digital Profits U is. So again, you're going to learn digital marketing from the ground up, or you're going to learn how to reinforce your digital marketing skills to really understand how to use the internet as a place of business. You're going to get my Reseller Goldmine training. Again, it's amazing. People literally, it's the whole reason why so many people decide to come into our community. You're also going to learn how to build your own community, right? Not on school, but it's a community mindset, right? Again, because it's one of the things that helped me make a lot of money when I was brand new, was how to cater to people and build community. And by building community, right, my income grew faster and I made sales faster. So I do an amazing training on exactly how to build your own community. You're going to learn a lot, right? If you want to go down and check out what this is all about, I'll drop my raw link down below. You can kind of check everything out and decide to join us. Right now, actually, I won't say that. I'll decide. I'm not sure if I want to package it as a promo deal right now or what, but again, just getting my thoughts out. And yes, I'm going to post this because, again, I just want more women to know that if you can give yourself the permission to show up like this, not from a showing up like this, meaning like go out there and go on a hot girl walk and start doing videos, but it's more of a mindset of showing up when you know you have something to do, you have something to share, you have something to say, without thinking there needs to be any aesthetics around it, without thinking the world needs you to be perfect, without you being dolled up. There's a time and a place for all of that, and I have many videos where I have my little off-the-shoulder shirts on, right? My hair is popping, my lashes are on point, my gloss is on point. I don't wear makeup, right? Just lashes and lip gloss, right? And my nails are on point, all that, right? But let me tell you something, I'm not opposed, again, to popping on camera like this, right? And again, talking that talk, right? Well, I walk this walk. But I really hope like this just shed some light, into if you're wanting to start, let's like cap this off, making this entirely about you. Right? Maybe you're in your 50s. Maybe you're in your 40s. I talked to a lot of people in their 40s or 50s and even their 60s. And you're out there typing in things like how to make money online, how to start a digital product business, how to start making money selling digital products, right? Maybe you're looking up some of these digital marketing courses, and maybe you're looking at business mentorship and business coaching. Maybe again, you're in your feelings over your age, wondering if it's too late. All I'm telling you is I've packaged like all of your concerns, all of your worries, and that's what this mentorship is all about. Understanding the perfect way to put this. No matter where you are right now, the community meets you where you are. And the only way that I can say that with certainty is because it's not that I can promise you every single module is going to be a perfect fit for you. No one can promise you that. But what I can promise is that no matter where you are, whether you've struggled, whether you've bought all the courses, whether you're starting completely from scratch and you don't know your head from a hole in the ground, that if you show up on our mentorship sessions, you're going to be met from where you are. You tell me where you are, you tell me what you need, you tell me where you want to go, right? And we're going to break down a plan right there live during mentorship, right, to help you have a plan. Not just go to this module. Like, yeah, there'll be some instances where, of course, I'm going to have to say, okay, go to this module, watch this first, and then once you watch that, do this. Because believe it or not, that's what so many people are lacking. They're thrown into these multi-module, 100+ module courses, which there's nothing wrong with the information. But how the information is used, right, makes a difference. Because more often than not, you don't need to go through every single lesson in a course or in a program, right? You actually need to be able to show up and say, hi, my name's Michelle, 52 years old. been trying to make money online for 10 years. I bought a lot of things. I made a little bit of money, but I'm really ready to take this thing off. This is what I know, right? And this is where I want to go. And then for someone to say, okay, perfect, right? Like say less, right? This is the mall that you go to. Watch this, do this, right? Report back here next Tuesday, right? And let's keep the party going. Some people will move incredibly fast. That's how I was when I got online, right? I became a mentor like within my first 30 days because my promise initially was to get this for myself so I could turn around and help other women get it as well. So I became a mentor because I made 28 sales in my first 30 days. So of course I had to turn right back around and, tell the women how I was doing it, and even the men. So some will go faster, some will go slower, but it's not about slow or fast. It's really deciding upon who you want to be and what you want, and then just deciding to be that person every single day. So whenever we think about slow and fast, and again, another thing we'll talk more about in mentorship, that is an identity, right? Oh, I want to go slow. Like for me, I'm turned off by that. I would never watch a video of someone saying they want to go slow. No, boo-boo, I want to go fast. I want to go fast. Identity, right? So if you say, I want to go slow, that's an identity, meaning you can go slow, but you're kind of gaslighting yourself, believe it or not, right? Because the identity that you take on always comes first. And so whoever you're dropping into is who you're going to be, right? So if you want to keep struggling or you keep telling yourself you can't do this, that's where this gets to be really, really hard. Again, that's why the mentorship is so important, because it's a lot of these little things that we see in YouTube videos. And sometimes we watch a gazillion of them and we're trying to take on everybody's likeness and everybody's idea. And a lot of times people don't realize that you're gaslighting yourself. What if you gaslighted yourself for the positive? Right? Like, I want to be the woman that makes $100,000 by the end of 2026, and it doesn't matter where you are. And then you decide to start doing the thing that a woman that makes $100,000 this year does, instead of talking yourself out of it. You see how that changes things? Versus convincing yourself that, oh, I want to go slow, or convincing yourself that, oh, it's okay if it takes forever. It might take longer than you expect it to take, but if you show up every single day operating as the woman in this example that's going to make $100,000 by the end of this year, your business, your income is going to be far better versus saying, versus operating from the energy of, oh, you know what, this just might take me longer. Because now what does your mind do every single day? Instead of your mind saying, let me take action, let me show up on office hours, let me connect with staff, let me get the answers, you're like, it's okay to miss a day. It's okay if I'm confused. It's okay if I go slow. You keep reinforcing that, and that's why year after year, you remain the person that goes slow and doesn't achieve their goals because you keep pandering to, oh, it's okay. Versus the woman that says, I'm going to earn 6 figures, right, $100,000 by the end of 2026. Every single day, she reinforces that, oh, I got to log in. I got to show up. I have a question for Steph. I got to know my next step. I got to get my store set up, right? I got to shoot the video. Like, I got to. Things just shift. So anyways, I think you get the gist. I think you know that if you've been looking for a mentor, if you've been looking for a business coach, if you've been looking for, I'm not going to say a community, right? Because really you will feel like this is one-on-one when you decide to pop on, our community office hours every Tuesday. But if you've been looking for like, I got to figure out how to really, really get this going, I'm just telling you that I'm your girl. So I'll leave the information down below. When you see the investment, you see the price, it's going to blow your mind because you don't have to pay multiple 4 figures. You don't have to pay 4 figures at all to get access to what it is that you need to help you go from where you are to where you want to go, right? But here we go. I'm going to end it with this, but you got to decide right now, right here today, right? What is the new identity you're taking on? Are you going to continue in the identity that brought you to this video and has you feeling right a gazillion different ways? And are you going to keep reinforcing that and say, well, maybe another day, maybe sometime, because you keep reinforcing that every day is going to be another day, right? Another sometime, right? Another question or a gazillion questions you're going to go ask another creator, or you're going to say, nope, you know what? I'm feeling this stuff. Maybe a little bit in you is like, I even want to be like you. Like, I want those kind of results. I want that outcome. I want to be that confident woman. You got to get in proximity. And I've never, ever, ever made it so easy for someone to decide to go for what it is that they want while being fully supported. The link is down below. Let me finish these 10,000 steps. And I look so forward to seeing you inside. Bye-bye.